A faulty thermostat can cause serious problems in your vehicle. Recognizing the warning signs early can prevent costly engine damage and keep you safe on the road. The most obvious sign of thermostat problems is erratic temperature gauge behavior. Your gauge may fluctuate between normal and hot readings, spike suddenly into the red zone, or stay stuck in the cold position even after the engine warms up. Engine overheating is the most critical symptom requiring immediate attention. You'll often see steam rising from the engine bay, and this situation can cause severe engine damage if not addressed quickly. Another common symptom is poor heating performance in your cabin. The heater may blow cold air, provide inconsistent heat output, or take much longer than normal to warm up in cold weather. Coolant leaks are another telltale sign. Look for puddles under your vehicle with a distinctive sweet smell from ethylene glycol, and check for low coolant reservoir levels. Secondary indicators include reduced fuel efficiency by up to 20%, rough idling or stalling, and unusual engine noises like gurgling sounds from the cooling system or excessive radiator fan operation. Modern vehicles equipped with diagnostic systems may display specific OBD2 trouble codes related to thermostat function, making it easier to identify cooling system problems before they become critical. Remember these key warning signs: erratic temperature gauges, engine overheating, poor cabin heating, coolant leaks, reduced performance, and unusual noises. Early recognition of these symptoms can save you from expensive engine repairs. When your engine overheats due to thermostat failure, immediate action is critical to prevent serious engine damage. First, pull over safely and turn off the engine immediately. Never continue driving with an overheating engine, as this can cause catastrophic damage within minutes. Allow at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool completely before attempting any inspection. Hot coolant and components can cause severe burns. After the engine is cooled, you can take several temporary measures to help get your vehicle to a service facility safely. Check coolant levels in the reservoir and radiator when cool. Add coolant if levels are low, but never remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Use your heater on full blast to help draw heat away from the engine. This can provide temporary cooling relief while driving short distances to get help. Professional diagnosis involves comprehensive testing to determine the exact cause of the thermostat failure and assess any related damage. Technicians perform coolant system pressure testing to check for leaks, inspect the thermostat housing for damage, and verify temperature sensor operation. Temperature sensor verification ensures accurate readings, while thermostat housing inspection reveals any corrosion or damage that could affect performance. Thermostat replacement typically costs between $200 and $400, including labor. This usually includes new gaskets, seals, and a complete coolant system flush. Prevention is the most cost-effective approach to avoiding thermostat failures. Regular maintenance can reduce failures by 60% according to industry data. Replace your thermostat every 100,000 miles or as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. This proactive approach prevents unexpected failures and costly repairs. Regular cooling system inspections during routine service can catch problems early, saving you from expensive emergency repairs and potential engine damage.